Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's class. I know your exam is approaching nearby, and you might be tensed. But don't worry, your sir is here, and we are about to discuss on the same thing. In today's class, we will be discussing about the Model Set 2 from BLE Set Book, Ridmore publication. Let's start. Group A. Circle the correct answer to the following question. Which of the following practical work cannot be carried out in the science laboratory? Study about solid waste management in Kathmandu. Which of the following would you stop your friend from doing in the laboratory? Tasting or smelling laboratory chemicals? Which type of cybercrime is related intimidation, defamation, or any other form of mental degradation by using electronic means or modes such as social media? Cyberbullying. Which of the following function is done by both plant and animal cells? Cellular respiration. How are new organisms formed during regeneration? Regenerating the fragmented part into whole body. If producing many plantlets from small explant in a lab under the controlled environment is tissue culture, then which of the following sentences is related to this method? Only a small piece of stem or branch of the part is taken. In which of the following method is heat transmitted by radiation process? Spoon kept in sunlight is heated. To which wire in a home electrification system is the switch connected? Live wire. What is the reason for using ash to reduce soil acidity? Ash is alkaline. Which of the following statement resembles the tidal hypothesis? Earth originated from the splashed mass due to the collision of two stars. Group B. Very short answer question. What is dry preservation? The method of preservation in which the moisture of food is completely taken out to preserve food for longer time. Give any one example of species diversity. The example of species diversity is cats and dogs. Write the principle of biodiversity conservation. The principle of biodiversity conservation is conservation of diversity of species. What is average velocity? The rate of average displacement is called average velocity. Write any one application of terrestrial magnetism. The one application of terrestrial magnetism is, it is used in compass. What is the 2n2 rule used for? The 2n2 rule is used to find the maximum number of electrons in a particular cell. What is base? All metal oxides and hydroxides are called base. What is the era in which the dinosaurs were evolved? Mesozoic era is the era in which dinosaurs were evolved. Group C. Short answer question. Write any two differences between observations and tests. S.N. observation tests. 1. We observe things. We test hypothesis. 2. It is the early step of scientific learning. It is step that comes after observation. Where are the mitochondria located in a cell? Write their functions. The mitochondria is located in cytoplasm of cell. Their functions are: I. It produces energy. 2. It performs cellular respiration. Tissue culture is considered the most advanced among other methods of vegetative propagation. Why? It is because it required high technology and high-skilled worker to perform this process. If there is no pollination in plants, fertilization will be nearly impossible. Justify this statement with logic. It is because pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma, and without the transfer of pollen, grain fertilization can't occur. If a car starts to move from rest and its velocity becomes 30 meters per second in 12 seconds, then find its acceleration. So, here, final velocity, v, equals 30 meters per second. Initial velocity, u, equals 0 meters per second. Time, t, equals 12 seconds. Acceleration, equals, now, a sad face vu, /t. A sad face 30 to 20, /12. A equals 2.5 m /s2. Therefore, its acceleration is 2.5 meters per square second. Mechanical advantage is always less than velocity ration. Why? ma is lesser than vr because ma is affected by friction, but vr is not affected by friction. How does the wind blow? Explain the process. The wind blow by the convection process in which hot air particles go up to create a vacuum, and to fill the vacuum cold air particles come from other part of the atmosphere, which results wind to blow. Describe the Big Bang Theory in brief. Big Bang Theory is the most convincing theory about the origin of the universe. It suggests that whole universe was originated from singularity due to high heat and pressure. Group D. Long answer question. What is artificial intelligence? Write any three main objectives of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the intelligence exhibited by machine or computer system. The objectives of artificial intelligence are to develop the problem-solving ability, to help in continuous learning, to promote creativity. 19. Write down any two effects of sound pollution and any two ways to minimize its effects. The two effects of sound pollution are eye deafness. 2. Heart attacks. The two ways to minimize effects are horns should be used less. Industry should be away from residential area. 20. Part of the group of the periodic table is given alongside. Answer the following questions based on it. At which group of modern periodic table is shown in the given table? Group 2. B. What is the name of the metals in this group? Write with reason. The name of given metal is alkaline metals because they form alkaline solution hydrogen when they react. C. What is the valency of the element Mg? Give reason. Its valency is 2 because it need only 2 elements to complete octet state and become stable. D. What changes occur in the metallic character of the elements from top to bottom in the group? Metallic character remains same when we move from top to bottom. How can the hardness of the water be removed by the permuted method? Describe with the necessary diagram. In permuted process, hard water is treated with sod, aluminosilicate, Na2Al2CO8, also known as sod, zeolite Na2Z. In this, calcium or magnesium salt changes into sodium salt and forms calcium and magnesium zeolite, which remains in the form of precipitate and can be removed easily. Na2Z plus CaCl2 and ACl plus Cas. In order to regenerate the sod zeolite, in case it finishes, we should add NaCl. NaCl plus Cas Na2Z plus CaCl2. It allows reaction to continue and we can get the desired soft water. Okay, this is all about model set 2. We will be talking on different sets in our upcoming videos. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. And this is time for homeworks. There are 2 homeworks today. Number 1, read all these notes properly. Number 2, share this with your friends and subscribe to this class. Thank you, and have a nice day. Keep reading.